Hi, Christine. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Tisha. We spoke previously. I just wanted to go ahead and provide a video for you in regards to how your website is doing and provide some tips. Now, I came across your company when I was doing research of plumbers in your area. So today we'll talk about three different items. We'll talk about content, citations, and backlinks, and how that correlates to your business and increasing your business. So the first we'll talk about would be content. So content is anything that can be found within your website. So keywords, um, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, any videos. So I do definitely recommend having at least 1,500 words on your website. So the more content you have, the more key words you can implement. The next will be citations. Now, with citations, that's going to be anywhere your name, your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, that can be found through Google, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Yelp, the Yellow Pages, Facebook. So the more citations you have, then the more people are able to find your business. So when I typed in plumbers in Sonoma, I do understand that you do business in other areas, but for this video, we'll look at Sonoma. So the first thing that comes up would be the map pack. These are businesses that have a Google My Business. So I'm not seeing that you're in the map pack. I do want to say when I did Google plumbers in Napa, you guys were number one, and you were number one in the organic search as well. Okay. But since you service Sonoma, we want to see you in this map pack on this list as well. Now, just looking at the organic search here, I'm showing that your competitor would be roto and Prushko Plumbing. I wasn't able to find your company here on the first page. So actually, I found you listed on the ninth page. And I believe, yes, so you're number 90 on the ninth page. So people aren't able to find your company, if they're going to be typing in plumbers in Sonoma. So the goal would be to get you on that first page as you're listed also in Napa. So we're going to be looking at a tool that we currently are using called Ahrefs. It shows exactly how your website is doing. We'll also look at your two competitors as well. So I'm showing that you currently have 672 backlinks. Now backlinks are anywhere on the web that brings you back to your website. So this can be from another business, just using your website there, and when they click on it, it'll bring someone back or increase traffic to your website. Now, not all backlinks are going to be equal, so some are better than others. So, for example, having a backlink connected to a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that might bring in a different amount of traffic to that. So we want to make sure you have some really good quality backlinks. You're using about 110 keywords. About 206 people are coming to your website per month, and that's generating a little bit over 4,000 in revenue. And then some of the keywords that you're currently utilizing or key phrases here would be this right here. So this is when people type this in, it will bring them directly over to your website. Okay, and then the next we'll look at will be roto. So I'm showing that they have over 871,000 backlinks. They're using over 96,000 keywords and bringing in over 220,000 people to their website. And then they're generating about 3.6 million in revenue. Now they are a franchise, so this is for different locations, but still this is going to be one of your competitors. For their keywords that they're currently using. So by implementing some of the keywords that your competitors are using, this will help you also rank a little bit better and bring more people to your website as well. And then the last would be Pushco Plumbing. So they have over 557 backlinks. They're using 29 keywords, and 38 people are going to their website per month, and generating a little bit over $600 in revenue. So some of their keywords that they're currently using. And this is where we've seen that they're number 5 there. Okay. So I hope that these tips help you see, different ways that you can implement for your website to help you rank a little bit better and, get more business there in the Sonoma area. If you enjoyed these tips and you want to use them for yourself, please do. If you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call back at 916-378-9773. Either way, I would love to get feedback in regards to this video. Again, thank you so much for your time, and you have a good day.